Hey friends, it's Maria coming to you with a really short video. I know many times we have emails that go to spam and we don't want them to go there. We want them to go into our primary Gmail address. So I just wanted to show you a couple of ways of having it go to your primary box rather than your social or your promotions box. So what you want to do is you want to log into your Gmail email account, then come over here and click on settings and then click on see all settings. And what you want to do is you want to click on filters right here and then scroll down and create new filter. And then in here I'm just going to put a random email address, let's say in here for a user or somebody I want to go to my primary box, and then I type that in there and simply click on create filter. And then once I'm in here, what I want to do is I want to click never send it to spam, and then what I like to do too is to categorize the email. So I click on that box and then I click on this little arrow right here and I choose primary because that's what email box we want it to go to. And then you simply create the filter, and there you can see I actually have several of them in here. So here's the one we just did, Fifi LOB. So there it is. That's simple as it gets. And then the other thing is, this is another way to do it. Say you have one that goes into social. For example, say I want to move this LinkedIn one to my primary box. What I can do is I can click it and drag it over to primary, and then down here I'm going to get a message and it says conversation moved to primary. Do this for future messages from messages, and then you click yes, and then from now on that will go to the primary box. I hope this helped and have a great day. Bye.